Hi, my name's Jürgen from the Smart Nose Bakery. One of the key features of GPS Nose are communities. It can be used to build groups. You can chat in your local area. Direct messages can be sent to all members. Pictures, places, events and tracks can be marked as community relevant. All informations can be filtered and searched. And all this completely anonymous. Today I'll show you what GPS Nose communities are, how you create them, how to use them correctly and how to improve communication with your members by using this tool. So stay tuned. Compared to other platforms, the GPS Nose communities are equivalent to the following functions: hashtags on Instagram and Twitter, groups on Facebook and WhatsApp, circles on Google+. Google+? GPS Nose communities combines all these functions and much more. GPS Nose communities provides visibility. For an example, you may be a member of a community, but others will only see your membership if they are also in that community. There are 3 visibilities. Public. Everyone can join, no invitation is needed. It's not allowed to send direct messages to such a community. Closed. To join such a community, someone have to invite you first. Marked posts are visible to everyone, not just members. Private. A private community can only be joined with an invitation. Marked posts will only be visible to the members of the community. There are 2 different types of communities: tags and mashups. A community tag can be created with the mobile without any preparation. To create one, just go to your account, switch to the Communities tab and hit the plus button. Here you are able to choose the visibility and to name the community. It is allowed to use alphanumeric characters and the hyphen. After you have successfully created the community, the detail will be shown and you may add a picture or set additional informations and settings. A mashup community is a bit more complex, because you have to run a known website for such a community. I will show you how to create the mashup community in another video. Now that we have created the community, we can use it. First, you should invite someone to your new community. Open your community, click Send Invitation. Select all users you like to join to your community and send the invitation by clicking Done. Sometimes the user you like to invite is not in your favorite list, but stands right beside you. You don't have to mark this new user as a favorite to send him an invitation. Instead, you can do this. Switch to Noses. After a while, you will see the users next to you. Select the user you like to invite, open his communities and hit the plus button. Now you will get the list of your own communities. Select the community you like him to join and click Done. The invited user receives a message about the invitation and he can decide whether to accept the invitation or not. After the invited user has accepted the invitation, he will appear in the list of members. Now that we have a few members in our community, we can send a message to them. Open your community and select Filters and Messages. Then choose Show Mails. And there you go. Sending a message to all members is that easy. The most fun part is the community talk in the local area. Open your community again and choose Filters and Messages. Then select Show Talks. You are now in the chat room of your community. Any message will be received from nearby members of your community. Talks have limited range and short lifespan. Therefore, this information cannot be received by distant members. You can mark any type of post with your community. I will show this with an example of an impression, but the process is the same for all elements. Places, impressions, tracks and events. Open the impressions via the menu and create a new item. Add a picture and write some text about it. At the bottom you will find the communities. Here you are able to choose the community you like to use for this impression. Click Save, and that's it. After a post was created on GPS Knows, it will be published in the news. The news makes it very easy to inform your community members about new items you published. The information can also be searched in the area. To apply such a filter, go to your community and select Filters and Messages. Then choose Show Impressions Nearby, and you will get impressions marked with your community. GPS Knows Community is the perfect tool to form a real local group in your area. You can use this tool to improve the communication with members virtually or in the real world. For other platforms, communication is limited to virtuality. The reality can only be mapped with GPS Knows. Your post will also be found in the neighborhood by users outside of your community, so you can find new members quick and easy. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to the channel. We'll be doing more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.